everyone. I'm making this video for class 10th students, and program is very simple and very interesting, and topic is conditional statements. Now we are doing conditional statements, so we have a simple program here. Calculate the grades for the students when percentage is given. Percentage will enter by the user, and we have category means percentage above 80 means you have to print A grade, and percentage is above 70 you have to print B grade, and percentage above 80 60 you have to print C grade. And fourth condition is if percentage is below 59 means that person is fail. So we have to take percentage from user. Here we can start per, we can take per, and percentage can be in float or in decimal, so we will take float input and we will ask value from user. We will request please enter percentage for grades. We will input grade whatever. I don't know, I'm getting some message or something. Leave it. Why? I hate. Sorry. Yes, I'm really sorry. So now we have taken. Now condition is that I will tell you two methods. First is totally if, and second is elif, means if, elif and else. The first method here is you have to use only if. In the whole program you have to use if only. Print A grade. A grade, grade. So we will do something like that. I will tell you why I'm doing this. We have 4 conditions, 1 2 3 4, and in every else B grade, here we will come and we will do C grade, fail, fail. We have only 4 conditions, A, B, C and fail, so we have taken for in every if. Here we will give condition. First condition and last condition is very easy. First condition is above means percentage should be greater than 90, but अगर percentage किसी के equal हो गए 90 के, then still we will consider A grade. If here condition is that if person is scoring 90 or above 80, he will consider he is getting A grade. First condition is very easy. Second condition, we have 2 things we have to use. We will have to use AND operator also, because here is 2 condition. Second, if 70 and 80, lower limit is 70 and above limit is 80, so percentage should be greater than equal 70 के equal हो, and but वो below होना चाहिए. Percentage should be below 80, because we have taken 80 already, means 70 to 89, 70 to 79 here we will consider, means 70 आए तब भी ठीक है, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, and this condition will fail. 79 still will be true, and जैसे ही 80 होगा वो A grade में चला जाएगा, but we have to take till 79. So this is the 2 conditions, and again we have to take this condition, but we have to change this it only. Here 60 lower limit and upper limit is 70. Already we have taken 70 above. अगर 70 आएगा तो B grade होगा, ना कि C grade होगा. And D grade is below, means percentage below, then below 69. So means अगर किसी के 70 आते हैं, सॉरी सिक्स के अगर 70 आते हैं, 60 आते हैं तो वो इसमें ले चुके हैं। ये सॉरी 59 आएगा, 59, क्योंकि अगर किसी के परसेंटेज अगर 60 हैं तो वो सी ग्रेड वाला होगा। सो वी हैव फर्स्ट मेथड वेयर वी आर कंसिडरिंग only if. Look what we do. Now we have to run. So program is grade D grade 1. We have to save. मान लो मेरा फेवरेट बच्चा है, नंबर मिले हैं उसको, पहले हम लेते हैं अबव 80, 89 मिलते हैं। तो here is getting A grade and we are getting error message pre. I mistakenly somewhere write pre. Yeah, it is written here pre. No, it is per, PER, everywhere per, PER per, PER. Now we have to check again. Percentage was 88, A grade, good, it's working. If percentage is 80, then yeah, still it is getting A grade, yes, correct. If percentage is 79, then oh my god, B grade, correct. And here again F5, and we are giving 60, it will get C grade, wow. And 5 again, below 60, 55, it is getting fail. Yeah, means this program is exactly and correct. Look, but problem is this, in this program, when compiler come from above, it checks every if, because we are not stopping, you don't have to go. Compiler is like a police inspector, it is going in every if, because we have given if, you have to check it, we are not stopping it. तो इट विल कम एंड चेक ए ग्रेड है नहीं है, तो फिर वो नेक्स्ट को चेक करेगा, नेक्स्ट है तब नेक्स्ट है तो वो प्रिंट कर देगा बी ग्रेड, फिर जाएगा थर्ड में, थर्ड है कि नहीं है तो नहीं प्रिंट करेगा, फोर्थ भी जाएगा चेक करेगा, वो प्रिंट कर देगा। तो प्रॉब्लम ये है, जो मेरा कंपाइलर है वो हर एक इफ़ को चेक करेगा, इसलिए हम इसमें टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस है। जब लाखों हज़ारों लाइन का प्रोग्राम होता है तो वहाँ पे एक एक सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, प्रोसेसिंग शुड बी फास्ट, सो we code should be good and smart coding is very important, that is why we do not supposed to do with this method. So now in second part, in another half, I will tell you how to solve, how to do elif, how to use elif. So be careful, just I'm going to tell you how to use elif, and just wait. If you have any doubt, you can put queries on my personal window. Hello everyone, here I'm adding another second part. First part we have done, and now we are going to do second part. Everything will be same, we don't have to do so many changes, because first method was only if, now we have to do elif, nothing we have to do, we have to use elif, and in the last you have to use last condition, it is up to you, elif you can take, or last conditions it is very important, else you can take last, in else I'm taking some extra, print invalid result, but due to any reason you can get invalid result, so last else we are giving invalid result. So check what I did nothing, but this approach will change everything. Suppose I'm giving 66, you will get C grade, it will work properly. F5 again, I'm giving 99%, it will check A grade, and everything will be same. Last 55 fail everything, but what I did, I just add only L in front of if. But what is the change in the approach? Approach is very simple. First compiler will come here, it will check only this if. If this condition is true, it will break the program. It will break the program, it will print A and program will just over, ख़त्म हो जाएगा. वो बाकी कंडीशंस को एल्स को चेक नहीं करेगा, इसको भी चेक नहीं करेगा, वो एल्स वाले पार्ट को भी चेक नहीं करेगा, वो एल्स वाले पार्ट को भी चेक नहीं करेगा. सपोज फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज स्टिल फॉल्स, 80 नंबर नहीं है, देन वो कम आएगा यहाँ पे. देन वो यहाँ पे आके सेकंड कंडीशंस को चेक करेगा एंड सेकंड कंडीशन को चेक करेगा कि परसेंटेज अगर इसके बीच में है, देन इट विल प्रिंट बी ग्रेड. और उसके बाद अगर कंडीशन ट्रू हो गई तो उसके बाद ये वापस चला जाएगा, प्रोग्राम एंड हो जाएगा, प्रोग्राम विल गेट ओवर, टोटल एंड. अभी थर्ड कंडीशन को, फोर्थ कंडीशन को, ये इसको फिफ्थ कंडीशन को चेक नहीं करेगा. तो दिस इज़ फास्ट, बिकॉज जैसे ही मेरा रिजल्ट आया और वैसे ही प्रोग्राम मेरा एंड हो गया. सो नथिंग यू हैव टू डू. सो बी केयरफुल. अगेन आई रिपीट माई वर्ड्स. Look, first condition is true, it will print and it will break the program. It will end the program. Suppose first condition is false, then it will check second condition. Again, second condition is false, then it will check third condition. And third condition is false, then it will check fourth condition. And fourth condition is false, then it will check fifth condition. And fifth condition is a final condition. After that, program will over. But suppose first condition is true, so it will print. And again second condition is true, so it will not check fourth, third and fifth. It will break the program will get over it. So be careful. That is why we like this method, and this method is fast. So we have another example, so just look and watch this program, and if you feel any doubt, please you can argue, you can discuss with me on my personal window. So please go and watch this program, and still you find any doubt, please leave and try to subscribe my channel and like this video. So I'm just making more videos for you. Please like and comments.